How to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10. So to start, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen, tap on the search bar, and then in here we'll have to search for services. After that, tap on the open option. In here, we'll have to scroll down and then look for this option, connected user experience and then telemetry. What we need to do is to right click on this one and then in here you will see this stop option. So we're going to disable this option since what this do is that it runs your malware on the background that slows down your computer and spies on you. So what we're going to do is to simply disable this one. To do that, tap on the stop option. After that, we'll have to scroll down again and then look for this option sysmain. What we need to do here is to right click again and then you will see this stop option. We are also going to disable this one because what this do is that over time your window learns like an AI. It will learn what programs you are running and it will load the software for you in the background, and when you click on it, it seems like it's loading faster. You guys don't want it running, it's going to slow your processor. So what we need to do is to disable this one. After that, the next thing that we need to do is to go again on the search bar and then in here we'll have to search for update. After that, tap on this check for updates option. In here, you will see this check for updates option. What we need to do is to simply tap on this one and then after that, it will load and then search for updates. Once you see a download and install option, simply tap on that. And then once you're done updating the app, the computer or your PC will prompt you to restart your PC or computer. Simply do that. And then once you're done with that, you'll have to go back on this Windows update. And then in here, if you see this green button and then it says you're up to date, then you are good to go. So those are the ways on how you can fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.